Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're totally deconstructing the wild algorithm behind the Harvard Bodybuilder. Let's dive right in. So what actually happens when Ivy League prestige hits the weight room? Let's check out a fascinating case study. Enter Max Penkovsky. He's rapidly built an audience of almost 30,000 super loyal subscribers. His full arm day drop is literally the perfect example to explore YouTube's crazy fitness algorithm. His success relies on three things: claiming scientific exactness, exploiting gym fears, and flexing that Ivy League lifestyle. See this engineered urgency? Telling viewers they're actively destroying their gains absolutely spiked his viewership. But hey, offering a precise, science-backed solution performed even better, hooking 30,000 eager viewers. The data doesn't lie. Exact scientific hooks are absolutely the ultimate bait for his specific audience. Yet the algorithm is kind of chaotic, injecting massive, completely unrelated viral anomalies right alongside his stuff. Like this million-view video about a sober DUI arrest. It totally proves the algorithm's absolute unpredictability. Which brings us to a huge question. Is science-based the only way to build muscle online? Well, looking around, popular creators like TNF are actively pushing back hard against this rigid academic vibe. It really highlights a fierce platform tension: strict scientific structure versus pure, raw training instinct. We also see a massive algorithmic divide between natural lifting and open talk about performance enhancers. Max actually bypasses this noise using the halo effect, leveraging elite Harvard prestige to validate standard routines. Checking his timeline, you can see how this exact strategy builds killer, sustained engagement month over month. Because he isn't just teaching viewers how to lift, he's successfully selling a whole aspirational lifestyle. Ultimately, it leaves us with one provocative question: does the science actually build the muscle, or just the audience?